Greetings, dear viewers. Welcome to my channel. I am crucialmoon, and today I have an exhilarating review of the magnificent Zeus X Gundam Astray Redframe gaming mouse. As I carefully inspect the box, I am pleased to report that it remains remarkably intact, with only minor imperfections in the form of gentle dents. The contents are securely sealed within. The DPI capability, reaching an impressive 7200, allowing for unparalleled precision and control. With its non-slip slide, you'll experience seamless glides and effortless maneuverability, ensuring a truly immersive gaming experience. Brace yourselves for lightning-fast input, enabling swift and precise actions, while multiple enchanting lighting effects bring a touch of magic to your gaming setup. And fear not, for the cable stretches a generous 1.5 meters, granting you the freedom and flexibility to conquer any gaming challenge that comes your way. Within the box, you'll discover two marvelous covers, one boasting a sleek and clean design, while the other showcases a mesmerizing beehive pattern. I am thrilled to report that this exceptional mouse delivers a seamless and flawless experience. Rest assured, should any problems arise, I will be sure to provide you with prompt updates in the description or comments. As we reach the conclusion of this video, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to each and every one of you for watching. Your presence and support are deeply appreciated. With great enthusiasm, I wish you all a joyful shopping experience. Should you have any inquiries or question, please don't hesitate to ask. May your shopping journey be filled with delight and satisfaction. Thank you once again, and happy shopping, dear viewers.